Clearwater Rec Center, and this is post clean. So we're going to start out going under the building. We pulled a lot of debris out of here. Get to where that big hump was that we had to grind up. There we go. It was right in here. That big old mound. I think it was either that one or this one. This goes all the way back to the kitchen area. That's the end of the line. You can see the striations from the jetter even back here. Oh, that's beautiful.
Sorry, man, you know you get paid accordingly. Does it look good?
It's recording. Yeah, I just went all the way under the building. It's beautiful, so I'm going to turn it, and we'll go out towards the manhole now. So now we're going to run out towards the manhole. So we got a pretty bad separation right here between, looks like cast and PVC. So I'm going to find this spot and mark it. Alright, we're right at the end of the, right at the manhole connection. We're going to scope this from the other way. I just want to record this all the way back. You can see our manhole there off in the distance. That's right. So we're 17 feet from it. That was right at the connection we were just sitting at. Alright, so we are back up at the clean out next to the soda machine.